Good morning, everyone. It's Lisa with Power Wash Store of Central PA. I have a great deal on some used equipment here. This unit was actually put together by Liberty Soft Wash and completed 2 jobs with it. The machine has 26.5 hours on it. It's an 8-gallon-minute machine. It's going to come complete with everything you see here: the battery for the machine, gas tank. We have a downstream injector, 16-gallon tank, and then there's also a 7-gallon tank. The way it's set up right now, you can downstream 2 different products out of there just by switching with the ball valve here, or what we have done is we just filled the other tank up with water. That gives us an easy way to rinse out the downstream injector when we're finished. Then there's a little hose reel over here, a Cox hose reel, and there's 200 foot of gray non-marking hose. And then we made this a mobile unit because it was just being used for some jobs here. So we just set it up with one of these tanks here. And this is all set up on quick disconnects, so the tank can be separated from the machine easily. But it's a 275-gallon water tank, and you have your bypass and garden hose feed with Hudson valve in this tank as well. So we can either sell this unit exactly how you see it right here, or we can mount this up on one of our diamond plate skid bases as well. If you're interested, give me a call, 717-378-2276. Thanks so much.